Hello, hi, welcome to DIGINAIJA. Ẹ̀yin tèmi, don't forget to drop a comment, like and share. Àwọn fans K1 ti jáde pé tí K1 bá jẹ Awujale ṣé wàhálà wà ń bẹ́ẹ̀ ni kò sí Biggie bẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹ̀yin tèmi, ṣó yẹ kí K1 jẹ àbí kó yẹ kán má jẹ? Ẹ drop comment yín, ẹ like and share.
Tí K1 the ultimate olórí ọmọọba gbogbo Ìjẹ̀bú pátápátá tí ó bá di Awujale ti Ìjẹ̀bú tó jọba Ìjẹ̀bú, kí ló máa ṣẹlẹ̀? What will happen? As in, just imagine pé K1 the ultimate ó ti di ọba báyìí. Kí ni nǹkan tó máa ṣẹlẹ̀? What will happen? Is he not a human being? Ṣé kò what láti jẹ́ ọba ni, or what is the cost of the argument online? And people that are arguing, man yìí gan tẹ́ ń bá fa yìí, ó ti àtìgbà tó ti ń ṣe kíní ń pè lórí ọmọọba yẹn, tó ti ń install K1 as ọmọọba. Me personally, I don't even know this thing is going to come to reality. I saw him acting like a king already. He has been acting as a king. Even the moment tí K1 ti jáde as olórí ọmọọba, K1 ti ń ṣe bí ọba already. And the reality is, if you study this man life very well, tẹ́ bá really wo, you can see that it is somebody that he really even want to be at the top of everything that he's doing. And so be it. So be it. So, gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ nǹkan sọ pé maybe you just want to make the throne more popular. Because the reality is that this K1 the ultimate, everybody is saying he has been acting like a king. Tẹ́ bá dé àwọn functions, mi kàn ní láti máa post àwọn videos because ẹlòmíì lè padà sọ di nǹkan mi. But you go to functions tí Wasiu Ayinde bá ti ń play. If Wasiu Ayinde is playing, before, if Wasiu wanted to greet people, he go down to greet all the kings. But now, he okomate, as in, he only pay them respect. As in, he has been acting like a king. I don't know how to put it. He doesn't act like normal, everybody already. Into why ká gbájúmọ́ ni wípé ọba tí ó fẹ́ lọ ṣe yìí o, ọba tó fẹ́ jẹ yìí o, what is our expectation? I think that is nǹkan tó yẹ kí everybody focus lé lórí nìyẹn. Because I'm just saying my own, this man is already a king. Ó ti jọba. And I will tell you some things now. Tó jẹ́ pé tẹ́ bá rò, you will know that K1 the ultimate ti jọba. Some years back, we had a rumor. Let me say it as a rumor. That K1 the ultimate wanted to come out to be a senator. To be a senator. I can tell you that àtìgbà tí K1 ní òun fẹ́ jáde ńgbà yẹn di senator yẹn, till now, if everybody will reason with me, the post of the senator became popular. He never became that senator. But when he said, K1 náà fẹ́ jáde fún senator, as in, some people reason it like Olórin Fuji, some people reason it like anyhow, but he said he wanted to come out, and I know he really wants to come out then. K1 the ultimate is not just ordinary musician. Tó bá jẹ́ musician, pé ó kàn jẹ́ ẹni tí ó, looking at that man, you go see that pé àwọn aṣíwájú wey they mention pé ó ń ṣe gan, ó kàn gbà fún wọn pé wọ́n wà níwájú òun ni. He see himself above everybody. And it's not a pride. Kò ń ṣe ìgbéraga. I really wish I can even be like him. Like, I want to see myself in what I am doing. I want to see myself as number first. Mo sure pé time here, the reason why he did not become that senator then is an advice. He really wants to. That's the truth. It's an advice. Maybe some people come to him. I'm just saying my own. No. Maybe some people come to him telling tó bá lọ can imagine pé time here ní K1 ti lọ di senator ngbà yẹn, kó kàn jáde fún senator ngbà yẹn. Either ó wọlé, either he did not wọlé. his music career is let's just take it like that. And if K1 The Ultimate lose his music career to political posts, that insult from political party, from àwọn ọmọ tí wọ́n jọ ń kọrin, àwọn tó jọ jẹ́ colleagues, kò sí irú owó tó lè wà lọ́wọ́ K1 The Ultimate. I'm just saying my own, tó lè gbọ́n ìdọ̀tí yẹn dànù. Imagine as at then that I wanted to come out for senator. Kátẹ̀wá náà ti wọlé ńgbà yẹn, wọ́n ti ń ṣe méjì, wọ́n bàjọba àwọn Tinubu yìí lọ. I'm very sure the kind of insult that will have been eating him by now. Mi tí mọ irú owó yẹn, irú nǹkan yẹn tó lè ní, tó lè wẹ̀ bye. And the eyes is on him. People really want to deal with him. Because anywhere where that man be, he really want to be on top. Mọ gbogbo àwọn tó ti ń kọ Fuji ni. Tá bá máa purọ́ fún wa ra wa lókù. That K1 The Ultimate he carried 60% pillar in Fuji music. You don't need to believe me. 60% pillar in Fuji music. So even if at then he went to go and join the politics, by now he may have money, at least. Ojuache and Shipa on Senator Ngbowo, he will have money. Owó yẹn gan lè má tó báyìí. Because I'm sure for him to go to, he will have tried the ambition of senator again. Go to 11 minutes to senator law. And he cannot, the governor's thing is not something that he can even become. Because if Wasiu Ayinde, where she's up, Obani, Oba lo fe jẹ yìí, insulting you ni Tokyo Wasiu Ayinde sọ pé he wanted to become governor of Ogun State. As in the way people will come out, come here, you want to, no. He cannot even do that. He cannot do that. So the best thing, Niko Dioba, because he wants to be on top. The man wants to dominate. He has it. He believes he can do it. He believes he can control. And she live what tele, yes. Because he's there. He's a great guy. He's doing well for himself. That's the truth. Tabave sọ̀rọ̀ ní Nigeria le ní yo. Kan kó gbogbo categories of music sílẹ̀. K1 The Ultimate will be there and will be much respectful. At least let's talk about it. Yeah, we want to bring all the top musicians in Nigeria. FMU Davido, FMU Wizkid, FMU K1 The Ultimate. At least to represent Fuji music. Or Kokonte represent Kakan. All of them will give him respect. Because he's a music legend and he's also a politician. So he's on the top of his game. So the best thing he can do now is to become a king. Also, mo follow ìgbà tí Baba Enje Olori Omoba, mo follow it dada. I follow him to the extent that they tell the story. Mama mi, ilé ọba ni wọ́n ti wá, ilé ọba ni kíní kan, wọ́n wà lórí oyè. He tell a story to let you people know that he's a royal child. Ọmọ ọba ni mi, èmi mo adoba. Mo ọdún tí Wasiu ti ń claim king of. Ṣé anybody gan fojú sí king lára ni? Èèyàn mélòó ló fojú sóyè lára nínú Fuji. Kó tó di pé òun jáde tó lóun jẹ́ king. So he knows what he's doing. He's the next king. Nítorí yẹ ká béèrè ńsìn ní pé tó bá jọba kí ló máa ṣẹlẹ̀? Kí ló máa ṣẹlẹ̀? Kí ló máa ṣẹlẹ̀ sí Fuji music industry? Kí ló máa ṣẹlẹ̀ sí Fuji music industry? Tí Wasiu Ayinde bá láǹfààní láti jọba Ìjẹ̀bú-Òde, definitely he cannot sing again. Gbogbo àwọn top people tó wà yẹn, definitely àwọn tó jẹ́ bí elite wá nsìn yìí, tó jẹ́ bí àwọn, I don't know if I can mention him, àwọn olórin Fuji tó ṣá wà lókè tá mọ̀ pé wọ́n tẹ̀lé Wasiu yẹn, definitely wọ́n máa ṣí ẹ̀ lára customer Wasiu Ayinde tí ò ní lè kọrin fún mọ́. So ó máa help Fuji music. grow, most especially àwọn tó ń kọ pattern Wasiu yẹn, chai, then go chop. Àwọn Àyìnlá àmọ́gọ́ láhàn mi jí gẹ́gẹ́dẹ́. Oh, then go chop. But àwọn tí ó bá wò pé favorite, they will now go for another. So another music brand has opportunity to step to where Wasiu Ayinde is. So that one will help Fuji music. Now, Choma help the citizens of Ijebuland, àwọn tó fẹ́ jọba lé lórí. Yes, it's going to help them. Because Wasiu has influence in politics. Ó kàn jẹ́ pé máa ní láti fún wọn lọ́rùn báyìí pé bí wọ́n ṣe wà active ní táìmù Ọbásanjọ́ tó ń kọ́ lọ Ọbásanjọ́ jáde tán bá lè bá wa ṣe báyìí náà fún ẹni ìjọba, it will had influence. But mi wá rò pé wọ́n lè ṣe because I think he's already into politics. So that is the only thing tí mo mọ̀ pé ó ṣì ń keep wọn down. Àmọ́ lè sọ pé politics yẹn gan kó jẹ́ ambition ọba tí Wasiu ní ló jẹ́ kí wọ́n apologize ní time tí ó ní plain saga yẹn, because that will be the first apology Wasiu will make. Mo dẹ̀ post enjoy mo ní Wasiu apologize, because if you see that scene very well, it is a scene Wasiu can sue them. He can sue the company. First security post, second security post, kílẹ̀ ń wò tí mo fi gbé flags dénú plane. Ó wá jẹ́ gbà tí mo dénú plane tán ni wọ́n kàn ṣe wá ń sọ fún mi. It's an harassment. Pé wọ́n dẹ̀ drop ẹ̀ down yẹn gan, wọ́n jẹ́ kó lọ fọwọ́ kan kíní yẹn. You don't need to give him respect. At least ká ní pé bọ́n ṣe mú láti inú plane yẹn, wọ́n ti arrest ẹ̀, wọ́n á ń kọ̀ fún ẹ ni. Ṣé ó máa make a murder attempt yẹn láti fọwọ́ dá plane dúró? Ká ní wọ́n ti arrest ẹ̀. If they have arrested him, pé eléyìí go beyond, at least ó ti ṣe, ẹ ti agree kò ṣe, ó gbé flags ọtí tẹ̀ fẹ́ wọlé, ó tún bá yín argue, kálẹ̀ ti arrest ẹ̀ ni kò ní make attempt yẹn. So he can win tó bá jẹ́ kó fẹ́ ṣe, but I can suddenly alaye apologize. Ọmọ Bisola Badmus, he came on stage, the news go viral pé wọ́n ní ọmọ padà wálé o, ọmọ ṣe gbá o. Wasiu Ayinde nominate ọmọ tó ń kọ Wasiu. You should know this man is going to somewhere. Oh, he has another plan already, which he wanted to become a king. So he's doing a lot of things. You see Wasiu playing for now. He's already letting people know that this Fuji. Because the reality is that Obasha Joba yẹn kò lè kọrin mọ́. So Ijebuland will have influence. Tí Wasiu bá lè, tí ó bá jẹ́ oní politician, then fún gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá pátápátá, it will help us. At least, you know, when we have somebody like him in that seat of Awujale, ta ní irú Wasiu yẹn ní Awujale, bá ṣe ní S-King, Ewolu, Kábíyèsí Ọba Ládọjà, tán wà ní Ìbàdàn sìn. He makes our throne popular. Definitely, I know Baba will do politics. And with that, it's going to help the citizens. Ojú àwọn máa là. Adabipa máa ní influence àwọn bàbá yẹn sìn. Tá bá ń sọ̀rọ̀ Aláàfin lọ́yọ̀, tá ń sọ̀rọ̀ Ọọ̀ni of Ifẹ̀. Àwọn yẹn they have a royalty name tó ti make wọn popular, tó ti make wọn wà more recognized. Now, we have Ládọjà in Ìbàdàn. Ex-governor that is already in part of Toto. He has influence, though he makes Ibadan popular. We have 3. Now, if you have a great musician like K1 the Ultimate to become the king of Awujale, so Ilẹ̀ Yoruba, I'm very sure we will have people that will voice for us. They're sure pé tí Wasiu bá jọba yẹn tán, Wasiu lè wà lára. I'm sure that man will still fight to become the council of the king in Southwest. And by then, let's see what he's going to do. So kò mí rí dìrí nǹkan kan tó fi pa wá lára. Àwọn tó máa pa lára ni àwọn fans Wasiu tó fẹ́ gbọ́ Wasiu, people that wanted to dance to Wasiu, tí wọ́n ní ráyè máa jó mọ́. Mo dẹ̀ sure pé tí màá yẹn bá jọba, a sì máa fi style kọrin yẹn náà, because I don't let me go comic. Ẹ̀jẹ̀ alágbe yẹn sì máa wà ní torí ìjọ tán wá rí kábíyèsí kìíní kan ló wá kí kìíní. People go still go and give him money. He will still make more money. So I don't see a problem there. kò tẹ́ bá lè bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀ káwọn náà bá wa mú ẹnu kán sòótọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ because ká ní wọ́n yẹn jáde ní táìmù Ọbásanjọ́ yẹn wọ́n sì jáde báyìí náà ni a lè sọ wọ́n lè má fẹ́ jẹ́ kan lóye yẹn jẹ, you know, politics náà ti wọ inú traditional wa allegedly o, at least but a bá lè sọ náà dáadáa politician náà ní lot of influence in traditional. But anyway, I wish him good luck. Anybody náà tó bá dé believe pé tó bá jóná ló máa débẹ̀, I wish that person good luck. But ìwọ ni a fẹ́ ajẹmọ́fẹ́ ayé ìgbà tó jó lórí ọmọ ọba ẹ̀ complain ó wá fẹ́ jọba ẹ̀ ń complain ẹni tó yẹ kí gbogbo wa focus á níbi tá a ti lè mú Wasiu Ayinde sọ́wọ́ everybody wá kàn wò máa ẹran ni tá a bá mú sọ́wọ́ pé ìwọ ló fún wa ní Tinubu ìwọ ló fẹ́ but what are we going to do? How are we going to do? Because everybody is just trying his best. We don't know what will happen tomorrow. It is just my own opinion. My name is Ijebuland. My name is Ijebuland.